When we think of investments, we consider mutual funds, real estate, gold, fixed deposits. Have we ever considered return on investments in education? Well, a lot of students spend huge amounts of money for overseas education, but not many of them think on the return on investment. But what if I tell you, for the amount that you spent, you can get excellent return on investment, and this country is none other than France. We have with us today country representative from ISC Paris, Upasana Adwa Lalit, who will talk more about this and the exciting courses that ISC has to offer. So let's talk to her. So, Upasana, students who go abroad for studies, overseas education, they already spend a huge amount of money, and most of them they struggle to find a job after their course. Whichever country they choose, it might take them 1 or 2 years to settle down in a good job, and then they think about, yes, I've spent so much. Now let me see how I can get all of it back. The return on investment, the ROI. So, how is it if we choose ISC Paris?
Nice question altogether. Everyone is actually looking for the same.
Right.
So I can highlight about 2-3 factors which IAC Paris is famous for. So we are having one separate accreditation called BGA, that is
Okay.
Business Graduate Accreditation.
Okay.
So based on that, we are famous for internship in build program.
Okay.
So during the internship period, what we are doing it is not a just internship. We are actually monitor our students with what they are doing it. They are actually working on the live projects.
Okay.
And that will be monitored by the companies where they are going for it and the faculty members also.
So it's going to be a paid internship.
It's a paid internship where there's a rule in France. If there is more than 2 months of internship, so it's a paid internship.
Oh wow. Okay.
So-
So then the next question is, how long would this internship be?
Yes. So here the starting stipend that they are getting it is for bachelors it is 650 euros to 800 euros per month, and for masters we are having 850 euros to 1100 euros per month.
Okay.
So they can able to manage their living expenses.
Right. So for
there
how
in
many months
Paris.
will they have to take up this internship? Is it going to be over the 2 months that you spoke about?
Yeah, so bachelors we are having every year 4 months, and in the last year they have 6 months. So
Okay.
altogether 14 months for bachelors. And if
Okay.
I'm talking about masters, so we have two different programs. That is fast track, we have 4 months internship, and for regular track we have 6 months internship.
So if I heard it right or I understood it right, you're saying bachelors in every year of the course, they have to do a 4 months paid internship.
Yes.
Right? And what's total duration of the bachelor's program? Is it a 3-year program?
Yeah, we have two different kind of program.
Okay.
That is 3 years also, 4 years also.
Okay.
So under 3 years also they have 14 months. For again, if I'm talking about 4 years of bachelor's, so they are having 18 months of paid internship. So
Okay.
we have purposely added internship in all our programs so that
Right.
they are just not having the program structure in just a classroom learning or just a studies,
Right.
but we really want them to actually go and have some practical exposure. This is what the idea behind it. And right now, because of all this, we are number 4 for bachelors
Okay.
and top 10 in Paris for all
Masters.
in masters.
Oh, great. So let's probably discuss this with calculations.
Yeah.
It'll be easier for everyone to understand
Yes.
the ROA factor. So how much would a student spend, and based on this internship and everything, how much can they get back during their course itself?
So basically, we all know that after bachelor's we don't have PSW, but yes, master students are having PSW opportunities. That
Okay.
is for 2 years.
All right.
And here I want to highlight that during the time of their post-study work opportunity, they are having 100% job placement from IAC Paris.
So
side.
ISC guarantees 100% job placement.
Yes.
Okay.
Because
Great.
of
Is it
this-
just for the masters?
Yeah, it is just for masters, but because of bachelors, we don't have a
stay back option, okay.
So that is why we are just guarantee you for masters.
Right.
So here, what is happening is we are having BGA accreditation. So as per the market research, our students are the ready students. They doesn't
Okay.
require any kind of training if they are going for PSW. And the best part is because we got one BSIS Impact Award for the best training during the time of their internship.
Okay.
And plus we are situated in the center site of Paris. So we are just 5 minutes far from Eiffel Tower and 15 minutes far from La Defense Business Center. So that business center is having 2,500 multinational companies.
Okay.
They all know about BSIS Impact Award about IAC Paris. So from 1,000 or 1,200 companies are directly a partner of IAC Paris.
Oh, wow.
They are
Okay.
coming to our campus and we are generating around 6,000 plus internships and job opportunities every year.
Okay.
So this way we are supporting. So I can highlight about it. So for example, if MSc is having 14,000 euros as a fee.
As the fee for a year.
Yeah. And 1,200 per month is the living expenses of Paris, because
Okay.
Paris is center site, so it's
Right.
quite costly.
Kind of, yeah.
So 1,200 into 12, which is 1 year living cost, we have to show as a show money. So 14,400 plus 14,000 as a student of fees. So we
Right.
can assume that around 28,400 they have
Is the
invested.
rough expense
Rough
and what they will
expenses.
invest in,
Yeah.
right.
And under that, if I want to highlight, we are having CDA index with 40,000 to 44,000 as a starting salary.
Okay.
So
Great.
if they are staying for 2 years, they can earn up to 80,000 to 88,000 euros.
So they can recover all of it in just 2 years'
Almost,
time.
Yes. So
Maybe
this
more
way-
than what they have
Yes.
spent.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. I think that is going to be a great USP. And because there's a stay back option as well available and you guarantee 100% placement opportunities, then definitely this is going to be a strong move for the candidates. Now, a bit more about what courses you offer, because you've spoken so much about the benefits of joining IAC, but what are the programs they can look out for?
So bachelors, we are having 2 different categories. That
Right.
is 3 years and 4 years. Now the difference between 3 and 4 years of bachelor is that if you go with 4-year bachelors, you will direct get entry in the 1-year master.
Okay.
And bachelors also, if you go with 3 years, you will get 2 years of master degree. But here also we have different courses available. So bachelors, we have international business and digital marketing communication.
Okay.
And BBA, we have sustainable and innovation management and digital operation management. Simultaneously, we are also having PG programs, that is MSc and MIM.
So basically, IAC is a business school.
Yeah, it's a business school. We offers all management related programs. So MSc, because IAC is having a lot of programs in management, so we offer supply chain management, luxury management and marketing, hospitality management and marketing, finance and risk management, and international business marketing.
Okay.
And we also have our flagship program called Masters in Management. Basically, there are a lot of students who are non-management background. So they can go with this particular program and we are having 100% visa success.
Okay. So because when we think of Paris and France, fashion industry is what comes to our mind. So is there any connection with the courses that are
Yes.
offered at IAC?
Yeah, we have luxury management and marketing
Okay.
course. So all other fashion related things or branding, advertising or brand management, product cycle management, all the students who really want to go with this particular, so they can.
They can
And we
choose
are
this.
having very good company support specifically for France, Paris, because all the big brands are situated in the Paris.
Right.
And we can say all the headquarters of the big brands like L'Oreal, Chanel, Sephora, they all are near to our campus.
Right.
So student will get good opportunities.
Opportunity. So what are the entry requirements to your courses?
So for
Is there a language, test as such? Because I think you somewhere mentioned, French is not mandatory. So it will be an English taught program.
Yeah.
And is there a English language requirement as such for the course?
Basically, it is MOI based application.
Okay.
France is famous for MOI, like UK providing the same.
Right.
But here we are checking intermediate level of English subject marks.
Okay.
If they are having 60 marks in English, so we can proceed with MOI basis.
Right.
So there is no IELTS requirement for France.
There's no IELTS as such?
No.
Just with the medium of instruction?
Yes.
If after their 12th and after their graduation for the entry into
Yes.
masters.
Yes.
They just need a 60% in their English.
Yes.
That's great. Any other requirements, entry criteria that you
So
look at?
bachelors, we are taking two different things. That is 60 overall percentage, and we are checking the age limit. That is
Right.
24.
24.
24 years.
So a gap is not a big concern, is
No,
it? Not a concern.
Not a concern.
Just have to justify what you were doing.
Yes. And the
Right.
same way, if I'm talking about masters, so we are accepting with 55 overall percentage, and we require 33 years of age gap. So 12 years of age gap is fine.
Oh wow. Okay. So if choosing a master's, should the course the candidate has done previously be connected to it directly? How is that?
Yeah, so here I can say it is, see, people are having multiple different fields.
Right.
And it depends upon sometimes the requirement of the recent market conditions.
Okay.
People are looking into it. Sometimes we have seen the students are from engineering background moving
Yes.
ahead with the different fields
Yes.
as per the managerial level of post or something in their mind which they really want to go for it. So it's completely fine if any non-management background or any different field. So here France is open with everything. So
Great.
that is what here we can say. There is no particularly. It's just that you have to justify yourself during the time of your visa period.
Right. I think recently France has opened up and welcoming Indian students. Can you say more about that?
So Emmanuel Macron, he is the France president. He really have a very good friendship with Narendra Modi, our prime minister. So they have signed the bilateral contract with India and France. They have opened up with lot of opportunity for the students. So biggest announcement was till 2030 they want 20,000 Indian students.
Wow. Okay.
And they really don't want just a student for studies, but they are open up for job opportunities and many more opportunities. So they started with apprenticeship. Now here I want to highlight about apprenticeship is that it is a work and study program. Under that, the companies where they will get recruited by, that company will pay the tuition fees for the final year, and they will even going to give some salaries also to students.
Okay.
Previously, it is only allowed for French students, but because there is a lot of multinational companies are there in the shores of France, so they want a person who can speak two different languages, English and French.
Okay.
Although we know Indian population where we have 29 states, we speak different languages.
True.
So new language is nothing important, or we can say it's a normal thing for us to go for it. So French A1, A2, B1 level, all the schools are giving free of cost.
Okay. So even ISC there is this
yeah,
option.
we have this option from day one. It's not like they have to go for it. They can
Optional.
select by themselves.
Okay.
And they will get a chance also if they really don't want it to add it up in their semester program side, so they can go ahead with summer classes or anything.
Oh, that's brilliant.
But if they will get this option available, so they can even work and get some good salaries.
True. So if they take it with their course, they can use their summer vacations for part-time
Yes.
jobs. Oh, all right. Yes. So anything else? Because I think France is not very much explored destination as such. And yes, with this new agreement with France, more students are considering this. So is there anything that makes France, as a study destination, very different from the other countries?
Basically, I have seen and I have done the research also because I'm a country manager, so I have to highlight all these things. They are very secure in such place where we are having safety issues in terms of students.
Right.
So we have 140 different nationalities all. So they all are safe. They don't have to worry about that. But this is a major concern of all the parents. Secondly, they have started with many new things. So that is a calf housing subsidy benefit. They started with that.
Okay.
Where
It's a housing subsidy, right?
it's a housing subsidy. It's
Okay.
where you will get it on your accommodation. After 2 months, once they settle over there, they have to just give the address of where they are staying and they have to give their account details. So French government will help you out with 20 to 30% of their
Wow.
rent.
Okay.
So that deduction they will get this kind of benefits. This is called CAF
So
housing.
is it available for students as well?
Yes, it is available for students, and this is a good opportunity, I believe. And secondly, they have also started with €1 lunch and dinner facilities.
Oh, okay. Is that available in the university, or how is
Yeah.
it going to be made?
It is there in the universities. We have a canteen facilities. There also they implemented that.
Okay,
Once they
alright.
started with that rule. And there is also other benefits because our student is non-EU students. And we are going for European countries, so we are getting the social benefits and health benefits. They also started with that. So basically, if I'm talking about ISC, so we are half public, half private.
Right.
We also started with many more support for our students, where €35 transportation card we are giving to our students, where bus, train and metro, you just have to pay €35 and you will get that support. You can go anywhere.
So is it unlimited travel or something?
Yes,
And
unlimited
this is
travel.
for a month or for
Month.
For a month. Okay. So it's like they recharge it and then they can
Yes,
travel.
yes.
So what are the kind of travel facilities available there in France?
So we have train, bus and metro facilities.
So this can be used in all of these.
Yes, all of this, and even if they are going for the part-time jobs, wherever they want to, or want to explore any other cities, they can use by this.
All right, that's great. Yeah, so Upasana, if a candidate is interested in enrolling for a course with ISC, what should they do?
So basically, you can come and visit MedCity. They are our official partners, and you just have to share certain kind of enclosed document list,
Documents, right.
where passport is mandatory, SOP is mandatory, statement of purpose, then MOI letter and experience letter, CV, and basic academic documents. That's the only thing is required.
Okay, and because there's no IELTS required, just submission of the documents is
that's
sufficient.
it. Yes.
Great. So thank you so much, Upasana, for joining us today in this discussion. And I hope with all the highlights that you've mentioned about France, the return on investment that you spoke of, the flexible opportunities in joining for the course, the 100% placement guarantee that you're giving for the masters, all of it, and the paid internship, all of these are a definite highlight, and I just hope that students go ahead and try and explore France. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You dream it, we make it. MedCity Study Abroad.